Hi guys.
Not that hole.
Wait, are we recording? Yep. It's hard to see. You shut up.
Yeah, you shut up.
We're going to do a bike ride
Yeah.
to school. You shut up.
Yeah.
Or to a few places.
Yes.
If you go into a shop, you have to turn the camera off.
Okay.
We're not recording now.
Yeah. Well, it's on record.
Okay, we continue on our bike ride.
I can't even see it.
If there's no, if you just like camera
They can't properly hear you because
Yeah, I don't think you guys can, but I hope you guys will. Okay, so where are we going first?
to a shop.
Okay, I'll make sure I pause it. I'll make sure I pause the video once we're in the shop. This is me, Luke, the person that's in front. That's right guy there. It's me, DP. The one behind me is Jesse. Yeah. So what are we going to?
I don't know.
Guys, you probably guys can't see. Most of you guys probably can't see me. We're in the brightness.
Yeah, they can see perfectly fine.
Okay. Just because you can doesn't mean they can. Guys, I've been making Souls RG videos. I've been on screen too long. I'm gonna make an outside video. I was gonna make a house tour, then I realized nah. Just nah. So what shop are we going to?
Probably to the candy one or something. Do you want anything?
Nah.
Okay.
I don't really take anything from the candy shop.
Over there.
How do you like the grass view?
Ducks.
Is it quite hard doing this one-handed with something in your arm?
Nah. I do it all the time.
Well, you've been holding a bike with one-handed.
Yeah.
While riding a bike.
Duck.
There's a female and male duck.
Ah.
Oh, Pepper. Pepper, female duck.
Hold on. Those ducks can't fly. No, that one can't. Those ones can't. Oh no, they would have flown away by now. Cross the road. Jesse, cross the road. Cross the road. Thank you.
Let's continue our bit now.
I didn't have it on pause, but hey.
Yeah, but let's continue our bit now. I bet you it's probably gonna crash or something. Because my sword is a little bit full or something. Then I have to release some of my videos. Not my YouTube videos, like my gallery videos.
I'm just gonna.
I'm behind you guys, by the way. Oh, you okay?
You know how to work the phone.
To turn
Just
off.
pause it for a bit.
there. So we're at the candy shop, and also this place is called Waitara. So if you're wondering where I am, some people are in the United States and Vietnam. Well, this place is called Waitara. It's in New Zealand. I love it. This is actually where I live, in Waitara. Yep, we're back. Even need my camera guide.
If you're on that side. Just going up to the river. Now, where do you want to go? You choose.
It depends on where our viewers want to go.
Yeah, but they can't talk.
Well, they can.
They can talk,
Drop
but
down below.
yeah, but where do we want to go now? Quick.
Where do you think would be a good place to go for our viewers?
I don't know, maybe the river? I don't know.
Let's go.
Come here.
Are you going to Scrapyard?
Yeah, I'm gonna go check down there. Jesse, right there.
I'll watch it. Should I watch them watch you guys?
Hold your camera.